Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Today I'm going to be reviewing Graham Commissions. This is a launch that is happening on June 25th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, AM in the morning. Okay, so we're going to talk about what Graham Commissions is. It's being launched by Andrew Chase and his team, Young and Chase. It's about getting massive Instagram traffic, okay? So getting huge amounts of traffic via Instagram. So Andrew and his team have done this comprehensive, all-inclusive, step-by-step tutorial on how to build massive amounts of engagement and traffic and ultimately sales through Instagram. Also, we've got tons of bonuses. We've got my bonuses. We've got their bonuses. They've got a ton as well. I've got demo access, so you're going to see what it looks like. Going to go through the frequently asked questions, the front end, the upsells, and lots more. So we'll see you on the other side. Okay guys, welcome back. So what is Graham Commissions? Like I said, Graham Commissions is about getting huge amounts of traffic via Instagram. It'll build massive Instagram accounts with real engaged followers by leveraging an unknown software where you can pump out engaging content to 500 million people, all on autopilot. Okay, so we're gonna figure out how to do this shortly. Okay, but first, let me take you to my bonus page. We're gonna learn about some of the highlights of Graham Commissions, and I'm going to take you through some of my bonuses that you're also going to get if you purchase Graham Commissions with my affiliate link. Okay, so Graham Commissions is an unknown method and software that drives engaged buyers to any product you offer. Okay, so it makes us $300 a day on autopilot. So you guys, you can see my bonuses and Andrew's bonuses from Graham Commissions are going to be good until about 5.5 hours. So you still got quite a little bit of time, but don't miss out on this. So what is Graham's Commissions? It's a method we have come up with to build massive Instagram accounts with real engaged followers, like I just said, all on autopilot. Okay, so before I get into this prices and all that, let me take you to my bonuses and show you how they can also complement you if you decide to buy Graham Commissions today. So let's just go through this. So my first bonus, valued at $389, is called the Instagram Traffic Blaster. So this bonus really helps complement what Graham's Commissions is doing as well. These are some other methods that I use and others use as well to get a lot of engagement, get a lot of eyes on what you're talking about, get a lot of traffic. And the more traffic you get, obviously, the more probability of sales you can get as well. So this was going to show you some other methods that maybe are not included directly in Graham Commissions, but with both of them, you're going to have a really good understanding of how to use Instagram to help you get the most out of Instagram and how you get the most out of in sales as well. Okay, so this is a really handy bonus to go with Graham Commissions. Okay, next bonus with a value of $209 is how Facebook can generate big traffic and sales. So guys, I'm bringing you this one because Facebook, obviously, Facebook and Instagram, they kind of go hand in hand, right? They're both free, they're both massive, they dominate. Pretty much we're on Facebook or Instagram for quite a bit of our waking hours, unfortunately. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we may as well utilize it, right? So this is going to show you there's tons and tons of footage. These are tons of videos, step-by-step tutorials that walk you through very simple things that get into more sophisticated things. And again, you're going to get a lot of traffic through Facebook. And again, that's going to end up with more sales as well. So now you've got Instagram and Facebook, okay? All right, and my bonus number 3 with a value of $349, make your phone your personal ATM. So when we're watching Facebook, when we're watching Instagram, we're using our phone, right? So now you can go out anywhere and you can use your phone to be your ATM. I'm gonna show you guys how other people have done this in this bonus here. They're going to do a step-by-step to show you how you can make money just from your phone. You don't need your computer. You don't have to be at home. You can be anywhere you want with following these simple steps, okay? And my fourth bonus is create headlines that sell. So if we're going to be talking about getting traffic, getting engaged viewers, well, we have to have something that they want to see, right? So we need to have engaged headlines. So this is going to show you some cool little hacks and tips that you can just turn an ordinary headline into something that's going to turn heads, and it's going to make them click on what you're talking about, whether you're trying to sell something, promote something, or just get to know you a little bit better, or you know your brand a bit better. This is really going to help you in that market. And guys, I told you that Graham Commissions has loads of bonuses as well. They are all in here and they've done a great job. So if you click on any of these buttons here, they're going to take you to the page. Let me just show you here. They're going to take you to the bonus page where it looks like this, and any of these buttons here, you can just click and you can access all of this free content for you if you decide to buy Graham Commissions through my affiliate link, okay? Great, so let's get back to a little bit more of how Graham Commissions can work for you. So let's go to the sales page. All right, now this is a really, really big sales page, guys, so I'm not going to take you down all the way through because it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm just going to hit on the key points here. So this is the same heading that we talked about before, okay? And this sales video I'm going to put in my description down below, so you can access this, watch it again, watch multiple times if you want at your leisure, okay? I'm not going to do it right now. But it says, access 500 million buying visitors ready to give you their money. Get engaging content that banks commissions on autopilot. Get all the traffic you'll ever need with unknown software for free. Build multiple real assets that you can sell later on. And works in any niche, okay? You can use Graham Commissions to push buyers to their passionate niche, and new beginners are getting results literally overnight. So it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned vet. If you don't even know how to use Instagram, Andrew and his team break it down step by step, how to open an account, how to create content, all from scratch. So don't worry about that if you think, oh geez, I don't even know how to turn it on, okay? So no experience required, as I said, 30-day money back guarantee. So you can play around with this for 29 days. Have at her, and if you're not getting the results that you thought you would, you can actually get your money back, okay? But I think you won't need to, because I think you're going to see proven results with this. Here we have some testimonials. Kieran Borker says, Graham Commissions has given me great insights into the growing my Instagram account and attracting huge numbers. So he's noticed some changes. Kaleem's marketing, fantastic way to automate your Instagram marketing. Emily Morris, I'm completely blown away by this simple but very effective method. I got my Graham Commissions. I've already gained a huge engaged following and the buyers just keep coming. Great. Okay, so guys, just 3 steps. Grab Graham Commissions, get your copy of Graham Commissions and follow the step-by-step. Download the software and set it on autopilot and you're good to go. Okay? Okay, the secret to Graham Commissions. Secret method and unknown software that does all the work for you on autopilot. So this is the secret sauce, okay? I know what you're thinking. Is it even possible? So it's all possible with the method we have come up with by building massive Instagram accounts with real engaged followers and leveraging an unknown software that does all the work for us and for you. Drive a wave of buyers to your products and offers all on autopilot. Okay, great. So guys, let's get to some extra bonuses that they have too. So they're also going to throw in these on top of the bonuses that are already in my bonus page that I showed you that I am offering and that they're offering. These are also on top. So bonus number 1, Inner Circle Community Group. Get access to a community of like-minded individuals to network and discuss the latest tips and insider tricks. Bonus 2, step-by-step training videos. Great. Bonus 3, real-life case study. Bonus 4, commercial license. Okay, so you can actually become a partner in a sense, and you can sell Graham Commissions, and you can profit 100% from it. Bonus 5, 5 ways to get massive results daily with Graham Commissions. Okay. Okay, and let's go down a bit more. Now here is kind of all the things that you'll be getting all wrapped up with the price value next to it. So you'll see what kind of great price you'll be getting if you buy shortly. So Graham Commissions secret method, 1,300. Graham Commissions unknown software, 300. Mastermind community group, 500. 5K real life case study, 300. Commercial license value of 1,300. 5 ways to get big results with your Graham Commissions, 300. And of course the team, let's be honest, that's priceless, right? Okay, now some frequently asked questions. So what is Graham Commissions? As we said, it's a method of building huge traffic on Instagram, all on autopilot. How does it work? Using this unknown software, the secret sauce that I talked about. Do I need tech skills or experience? Answer is no. How long does it take to get commissions? Not long, okay, so straight away in some cases. Do I need to spend any extra to make this work? No, okay. And what makes this different from the other methods? Well, we are experienced marketers. We are experienced marketers and have tried every way imaginable. So these guys have been in the trenches and they're realizing that this is a proven method, okay? Okay guys, now let's check out the front end price and all the one-time offers. Let's go. All right, here we go guys. So the front end at $12.95, we've got some one-time offers at $37, one-time offer number 2 at $67, one-time offer number 3 at $97, one-time offer number 4 at $47. So let's break these down. Let's get some more information as to what you'll be getting with these one-time offers. So first of all, just the front end at $12.95, use our secret method to build massive Instagram accounts. Yes, okay, we know that. Banking us hundreds in commissions day and night, day in, day out. Now the jetpack, so the high end of 37, the low end of 27. Grab our done-for-you system and assets to bank up to $300 per day. Done-for-you professional Instagram profiles, just copy and paste. Done for you, 1,000 hashtags targeting real buyers wanting to buy. Done for you, call to action, directing your buyers to your products and offers. Okay, OTO 2, the booster at a high end of 67 and a low end of 37. Get a masterclass in influencer marketing and banks hundreds instantly on your first campaign. Tap into the powerful world of influencers. Step-by-step training on how to find predictable, high-converting influencers that will bank you commissions instantly. So guys, that's another thing. You start to kind of get a little bit, I don't know, intimidated or confused on how to go about the process if you want an influencer to use your product, to sponsor your product, to talk about it. This is going to show you the best efficient way, get the best deals, not to get fleeced as so many people have before. So this is really some powerful stuff here. Okay, the OTO 3, the empire at a high end of 97, low end 47. Build an Instagram empire, building and selling Instagram accounts. Okay, buying step-by-step guide on how to sell your Instagram accounts for massive profits. Okay, so now you can create these. We're going to look at Fiverr later on and just see what the price is on some of these people that do this for a living. Okay, so you can make a good side income just by doing this. And the OTO 4, the reseller rights. So as we talked about, you can also partnership up with Graham Commissions and you can be sellers of this and collect 100% commissions on this as well. So just to summarize before we go into the demo account, here's some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. Automated, unlimited engaged content. Drive real buyer traffic to your offers on autopilot. Set it up once, watch the buyers roll in. Completely newbie friendly, works in any niche. The best way to get started online in 2021, step-by-step training included, which I'm going to show you. world-class support, and of course that 30-day money-back guarantee. So let's get into the demo and let's take a look at how this looks. Okay guys, so this is what it's going to look like. Here's the dashboard, your support, your logout. Okay, so this is Andrew Chase, okay, with the creator here. So he's got a welcome. Now all of these have videos that are going to break down. So commission platforms, you're going to be mostly working on 3 commission platforms, your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo, and your Clickbank. He's going to show you how to get these set up step by step so you can work on all 3 of these if you want. It's like I said, he's also going to show you how to set it up. So he's going to here talk you through it step by step, all of this, tons of information here. Killer logos and bios, so if you don't even know where to get started, he's going to give you all this information so you can start creating some really engaging content. Okay. Multi-link tool, okay, and autopilot software, autopilot. So again, you're going to go through all these and you're going to see this stuff and you're going to be able to learn from it and you're going to be able to do it yourself. And here are the other links. If you go right here, you can get these links and you can get these bonuses as well, okay? And if you want to upgrade, you can do that right here as well, okay guys? Okay, so let's just go to Fiverr, and I typed in Instagram content, simple Instagram content like that. And this gentleman, this is the first one that I saw, okay? Or sorry, this person is the first one that I saw. And just a basic is $30, a standard is $45, and a premium is $60, okay? So Graham Commissions is $12.95, so you'd already be getting a lot of benefit if you just got a little bit of some content created, okay? Okay guys, and we'll wrap it up here. Go back to the bonus page and just go down. Okay, so you got a little over 5.5 days to collect Graham Commissions with all of this amazing bonus material as well. Again, so the front end is $12.95. This says it banks up to $300 a day. So this upsell, this jetpack, I think sounds very intriguing in my opinion. Done for you 1,000 hashtags targeting real buyers wanting to buy. Done for you call to action images directing your buyers to your product offers. So that seems like a pretty good value in my opinion. If you really love this product, you can go and be part of the reseller rights and go with this one. So, but maybe in the beginning, you might want to just go with the first one. Okay. And again, guys, you're going to get all my bonuses. The links are going to be in the description in my YouTube video description box. Okay. All of these, just click on any of these boxes. It'll take you right down there. Again, this is Kieran Hogg. I want to thank you for watching this review video. I hope you got some knowledge from it. I hope it answered any questions that you might have. So if you did like this, please like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you again for listening. This is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. And we just finished reviewing Graham Commissions. Thank you again. Take care. Bye. Hey everyone. I'm just adding one extra thing here. I forgot to mention this. All of the one-time offers have a really cool sales page that I'm going to put a description in that you can check out on your leisure, get a little bit more information, get a little bit more familiar with it. If I went through every one, it would just make this whole review much too long. So I'm going to leave it for you and you can look at them in your own time. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.